What if the legends are true? We've all heard tales of beautiful, half-human, half-fish creatures beneath the waves. But what if the truth is darker? For centuries, sailors have whispered warnings, not of playful mermaids, but of something far more sinister. Tonight we dive into the shadowy depths of mermaid myths, chilling encounters, and the mysteries that still haunt our coasts. From ancient omens to modern sightings, we're peeling back the shimmering scales to reveal the darkness beneath. So grab your life jacket, the water is deep, and we have no idea what's swimming with us. This is Chilling Mermaid Tales. Picture this, a thick fog rolls in, swallowing sound and light. Alone on the water, Silas, a seasoned fisherman, hears a haunting song drifting through the mist. The melody is beautiful but wrong, unsettling, irresistible. Drawn in, Silas sees a pale, webbed hand break the surface, gripping a lobster pot and yanking it beneath the waves with unnatural strength. The singing stops. Silence falls heavier than before. Then a scream erupts from the depths, a sound of pure agony. Silas flees, engine roaring, leaving only the memory of that pale hand and the echo of terror behind. Some stories are warnings for a reason. The sea keeps its secrets. Across the world in Japan, mermaid legends take a darker turn. The Ningyo, part monkey, part fish, all omen of disaster. Catching one meant storms, tsunamis or war. Fishermen would throw them back, terrified of the curse. But eating Ningyo flesh? Legend says it grants near immortality. The tale of the 800-year nun tells of a woman who ate Ningyo meat and lived for centuries, burdened by endless life. The Ningyo is both doom and miracle, a reminder of the sea's power and mystery. For old Japan, the answer was clear. Some things are better left undisturbed. The ocean's monsters are best left in the deep. Not all legends are meant to be tested. Fast forward to 1967, British Columbia. On a sunny day, ferry passengers spot a figure sunbathing on the rocks, a woman with a fish's tail and long blonde hair. Multiple witnesses, a media frenzy, and a $25,000 reward for proof. Grainy photos surface. Skeptics claim it's just a seal, but the witnesses insist they saw a mermaid. The creature vanishes. The reward goes unclaimed. For one strange summer, myth and reality blurred. What did those people really see? Sometimes the line between legend and truth is thinner than we think. The sea doesn't give up its mysteries easily. The question lingers in the salty air. Ancient Greece gave us the Sirens, deadly, beautiful and irresistible. Their songs lured sailors to their doom, ships dashed on the rocks, lives lost to haunting melodies. The Sirens' island was littered with bones, a warning about the danger of temptation. Odysseus famously survived by having his crew plug their ears and tying himself to the mast, desperate to hear the song but not die for it. The Sirens remind us, beauty can be a trap, and the sea is as deadly as it is alluring. In these tales, your senses can betray you. Sometimes the most dangerous thing is what you want most. The ocean's call is not always safe. In 2009, Kiryat Yam, Israel, became the center of modern mermaid mania. Dozens reported seeing a mermaid leaping from the waves at sunset. Consistent descriptions, a $1 million reward, and global media attention followed. Tourists and cameras flocked to the beach, but no clear evidence ever surfaced. A blurry video, endless speculation, and then the sightings faded. Was it mass hysteria, a hoax, or something truly unexplainable? The legend left its mark and the question remains. Sometimes the world's strangest stories refuse to be solved. The sea keeps its mysteries close. From Japan's omens to Greece's deadly songs, from foggy nights to sunlit beaches, mermaid legends endure. They shift shape, but always hint at something intelligent and powerful beneath the waves. Our oceans are vast and unexplored. Who are we to say what's real? Maybe it's all folklore, maybe it's something more. The next time you hear a strange song by the sea, will you listen or look away? The question lingers deep and dark as the ocean itself. Are these just stories, or is something truly lurking beneath the waves?